Okay, DM lecture 2. In this lecture, we are going to study converse, inverse, contrapositive. So, converse, inverse, contrapositive mainly formed by using conditional statement P tends to Q or P implies Q. Last lecture we have studied P implies Q ka table. Okay. So, using this implication, we can form new conditional statement, that is inverse, converse, and contrapositive. Inverse means what? If statement P implies Q hai, so inverse will be negation of P and negation implies negation of Q. Inverse will be negation of P implies negation of Q. If P implies Q is the statement, negation will be, inverse will be its negation. Negation P implies negation Q. And converse means what? Converse means उल्टा. उल्टा ध्यान में रखना. Converse means P implies Q का converse will be Q implies P. And contrapositive is inverse of converse. जैसे स्टेटमेंट का इनवर्स निगेशन P implies negation Q और कॉन्वर्स उल्टा Q implies P. Similarly, contrapositive will be negation of Q implies negation of P. Now we'll see an example. P and Q, two propositions are given to us. P is an integer is even, and Q is, it is divisible by 2. We have to write inverse, converse, and contrapositive. Now this kind of this is exam question actually, 2.5 marks के लिए आएगा. So inverse, so again I am repeating, inverse is what? Negation of P implies negation of Q. An integer is not even, then it is not divisible by 2. Converse, Q implies P will be, if it is divisible by 2, then an integer is even. Contrapositive, negation of Q, negation of P. If it is not divisible by 2, then integer is not even. Now next, tautology, contradiction, and contingent. What is tautology? If logical statement like this, these are the logical statement. If this logical statements, if value of this logical statement always true, then the statement will be tautology. If value of the statement is always false, then the statement will be contradiction. If the value of statement neither true nor false, that means it will consist of true, false, then it will be contingent. We'll see an example. This is basic example I'm showing to you. We'll see exam questions also. This kind of questions will come in exam. Check whether following questions, following statements are tautology or contradiction. This kind of question will come. Check whether following statements are tautology or contradiction. So we'll start P and Q, and we want negation of P or Q. So here we'll take P or Q and then negation of P or Q. And two variables, so we'll be having true, false, false. Here true, false, true, false. We have seen in yesterday's lecture P or Q. So P or Q, true or true is true, true or false is true, false or true is true, but false or false is always false. Now negation of this, so true का negation false, negation of P or Q मतलब ये पूरे कॉलम का negation. So true का negation false, and इसका negation true. So this is consist of what? False. The statement is consist of false as well as true. So this statement, the given statement, given logical statement is contingent. Now we'll see another example, P or Q. So what is P or Q? P or negation P, only one variable. So here we have P and negation P, and we have to do or P or negation P, only one variable, so it will be true, false. So negation P will be true का negation false, false का true. Now true or false, P or negation P, so true or false, true, false or true, true. See, value of this column is true. Both the values are, all the values are true. That means the given statement is tautology. Understood? Here it was false, 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 and then true. So contingent. Here all true. So this is tautology. Now we'll see another example. P and negation P. So here P will take negation P, and then we have to P and negation P. So only one variable, so true and false. Negation of P will be false and true. So P and negation P, true and false, false. False and true, false. So all values here are false. So that means this statement is contradiction. All values are false. This is how you have to identify contingent statement, tautology statement, and contradiction statement. Exam oriented 5-mark questions will come from this topic, but the logical statement will be bigger. We'll see an example. An exam question: state whether the following statement are tautology or contradiction. So P or negation P and Q. So two values are there. So P and Q are there. What we have to do here, inner bracket we have P and Q. So we'll take P and Q. And then what we have to do, ये complete का negation करना है. So negation of P and Q. And then we have to OR it with P. P or negation P and Q. So this is our last. So two variable. So this will be true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. P and Q, true and true. Refer previous lecture where we have studied truth table for and or. So true and true, true. False and false, false. False and true, false. False and false, false. So now negation of this. So negation of this column, negation of P and Q. True का negation false, false का true, true, true. Then what we have to do, or ये complete का or करना है with P. So true or false is true. True and true is true. False and true is true. False and true is true. So last column, all values are true. All values are true. That means the given statement. So we have to write like this. So given statement is tautology. Given statement is tautology. In exam, two statement will come. This is for 2.5 marks and this is for 2.5 marks. This kind of question will come for 5 marks. Complete will be for 5 marks. So this is another example. So here we have P and Q, or with negation P, by implication, double implication Q. So we'll write P, Q we want, then P and Q, और दोनों को क्या करना है, negate करना है. So negation of P and Q, and here we want negation of Q. So here only we'll take negation of Q. Now negation of Q को क्या करना है, negation of Q double implicate with P. Okay, so this is complete. We'll go with this is complete and बीच में और होगा. So negation of P मतलब ये कॉलम और ये कॉलम, P and Q, or with negation Q double implication P. So this column will decide. So now we'll take true, true, false, false. Now next will be Q. True, false, true, false. Negation of Q. ये complete column का negation. False, true, false, true. P और and Q. P and Q. First two column. True and true, true. True and false, 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 false. Now negation of this column. Negation of ये complete. Negation of P and Q. ट्रू का हो जाएगा फॉल्स, फॉल्स का ट्रू, ट्रू ट्रू, दिस विल बी फॉल्स. नाउ निगेशन ऑफ Q डबल इम्प्लीकेट विथ P. डबल इम्प्लीकेशन का कॉलम कल देखा था हम लोग ने. सो डबल इम्प्लीकेशन में ट्रू 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 रहेगा, फॉल्स 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 रहेगा, ट्रू रहेगा एंड रेस्ट ऑफ ट्रू. सो निगेशन ऑफ Q implication P. So false implies true, false implies double implication true will be false, true double implication true, true, false double implication false, true, and then true implication false, false double implication. First lecture we have studied this. So now ये दोनों को, now this column and this column we have to OR it. So false or false, false, true and true, true, true and true, true, true and true or false, true. So this is neither complete true, neither complete false. So this is what the given statement is contingent. Now if you have to solve, I'll give you two questions to solve here.